Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove soap scum from the glass in your shower tub area. There's a bunch of different cleaners that you can use that are designed to remove soap scum. We're going to use this one today. The trick is to apply the product and then allow the cleaner some time to do its job. So go ahead and spray that onto the glass. Make sure that the cleaner that you're using is rated for glass application, like this one is. Start at the top and allow it to kind of drip down the glass. And I would leave it there for a good 10 minutes or so to really allow it to break down that soap scum. Then after about 10 minutes, before you start scrubbing, you're going to hit it one more time because some of this cleaner may dry. Now you have a couple of choices. You could certainly use a hand scrub brush like this, or what I'm going to use is a scrub brush on the end of a cordless drill, which is going to make pretty quick work of this, and the drill and the scrub brush are going to do most of the work. Go ahead and start at the top. Apply even pressure and back and forth with the scrub brush. Go back over a couple times really to kind of work that cleaner into the glass and to get that soap scum off of the glass entirely. Afterwards, you're going to go ahead and rinse this with straight water. In our demo shower here, I'm just using a spray bottle with water. You would just use the water from the shower head. Once it's all clean, if you keep a shower squeegee in your bathroom and after every shower you squeegee the glass, you will avoid the soap scum from coming back. This brush on the end of a cordless drill will also do a great job on cleaning grout. That video is coming up next.